Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to make tassels at home without any special sort of tool. To make your tassels, you will want a notebook of some sort. I just have this smaller one here. You can use a regular size notebook, it'll make longer tassels. If you use a shorter size notebook, it'll make shorter tassels. You'll want some scrap yarn. I just have this ball of Lion Brand Thick and Quick here. So this is a size 6 bulky yarn if you want to know for reference. And then I have a crochet hook. You could also use like a darting needle or tapestry needle for this as well as a replacement. And then a pair of scissors. All right, in order to make your tassels, you're going to want to take your notebook and have like the open side to the top. You're going to hold your yarn at the bottom, starting there, and wrap it around as many times as you would like. This is how thick your tassel will be. I'm gonna wrap mine about 10 or 12 times. All right, so I wrap my yarn around about 12 times, and I'm stopping at the bottom of the book, and I'm going to cut my yarn. I'm gonna set that down for just 1 second. And now I'm going to cut 2 lengths of yarn. You want to cut these long enough so you'll have plenty to tie around your tassel and to tie onto your project. So maybe 12 inches or so. And now you're done with your ball of yarn. Next thing that you'll want to do is take your crochet hook and insert it under your stitches. So you want to insert your crochet hook or your darting needle under your stitches. You'll want to make sure that your notebook has like a kind of a lip here. A bigger lip would be better. So just any classic notebook really. You're going to take your scrap yarn, set it underneath, grab it with your crochet hook, and pull it underneath all of those pieces of yarn. All right, so I have my yarn underneath of there, and I am just going to tie this into a knot. So a nice and tight knot on top of the notebook like this. This is going to secure all of your yarn together, so you can just slide your yarn right off the notebook. Now you should have something that looks like this. You have the yarn that you tied to the top, and then you have your tassel bit. Lay down my second piece of yarn flat like so. I'm then going to take my tassel and lay it on top of this scrap yarn there. I'm gonna put it about an inch and a half from the top of the tassel. And then I'm just going to tie this little bit of yarn just a little bit like that. You can pull it tight if you want. You can pull it looser depending on the style that you want your tassel to look. If you pull it tighter, you will have a bigger bunch at the top. If you pull it looser, it'll kind of all be the same and you won't really have an indentation. And then I'm just going to take my 2 tails and I'm going to wrap them around the tassel a couple of times. This will give you a thicker band there. So I'm going to wrap the other piece of yarn around. All right, so it looks something like this so far. Now I'm going to flip my tassel back over and I'm going to tie my 2 ends into a knot. So now I have something that looks like this. I have it tied in the back like so. I'm now going to take my scissors and cut all the loops out the bottom. Right, so I cut all the loops open at the bottom, and now I'm just going to trim my tassel to the appropriate length. And there you have it. I cut all my little ends off. You can cut it as short or as long as you want. And you have your string right here to attach to anything that you're wanting to. I like to put tassels on blankets, so that's probably what this one will get used for eventually. That is how you make a quick and easy tassel using materials that you have laying around your house. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!